Hello guys and welcome in this new video where we're going to discuss about global variable and local variable. So what is a local variable? A local variable is a variable that is containing in our main function. Okay. For example, the both variable that we have defined in the previous episode here are local variable because they are inside of our main function. Okay. A global variable are all variables that we're going to define out of our main function. But the concept that is important here and the one that you have to understand and keep in your mind is every time that you're going to call a variable, the C++ compiler going to find first in local before to go outside to find it. So if you call a variable in your main function, first your compiler going to check in the local place if that variable existing there. If it's not existing there, before the compiler check outside. Let's explain it deeply right there. I've defined the string first name and I've initialized it to Yannick, for example. Let's copy it and let's change it outside over there. Let's call it place, for example. Okay. So right now, when I'm running this variable, when I'm trying to compile it again now, reboot, everything works successfully. I'm gonna run it. Execute. You see, even if I've declared it on the header, you see that it's Yannick that is used on first name. Okay. So if I'm changing it, let's say that I'm putting place here and Yannick outside. You're going to see that it's going to change automatically. So you see now it's place that is showing up. Okay. So that's a little bit it. Let's say for example that I'm taking out the string first name here, and let's run our code again. I'm going to recompile it, rebuild it, run, execute. You see, the first name is showing up Yannick. Why is it like that? It's showing up Yannick because I didn't define any variable for first name inside my main function. So the compiler went outside and checked if there is a variable name first name outside, and yes, there is. It's Yannick, and the compiler just bring it back here. That's why we have this Yannick here. So that's a little bit it about the concept of global variable and local variable. If you have learned something new, give a thumbs up to this video and see you on the next video. Bye.